we are no longer in the end times full length. We are more than half of the end times. Not only more than half of the end times to me, but we are already in the end of the end times. So in God's game plan of salvation, na nag-start siya doon sa cross when He completed the mission to save the whole world by His death on the cross. Hanggang ngayon po, we are already in the last 2 minutes of the game. Sino bang nanonood ng basketball? Pag sinabi mong last 2 minutes of the game, pag in-announce yan siya doon sa gymnasium, last 2 minutes, everybody will look up on the scoreboard. The coaches, the players, and even yung mga tao na nanonood to find out who is about to win, who is winning according to the number na nandoon. And then, spiritually, kung last 2 minutes tayo ngayon, pag titignan mo yung scoreboard between the team Jesus and team Satan, di ba sa Philippines lang, we are numbered to more than 115 million, almost 120 million katao. Pero ilan lang ang Christians? 12 million. Sa 12 million na yun, o 15 million na yun, ay only 4% can be considered as active Christians talaga. Pero ang kay Team Satan, sa Pilipinas lang, more than 100 million. In the last 2 minutes of the game, who is about to win? What a crucial time. What a dangerous time.